Hi everybody, this video is about 5 dividend stocks that are 100% franked for passive income. 5 dividend stocks I'm looking at today. What will I get back from them in dividends if I invest $5,000 in each? Before I continue, I must say this is not financial advice and you must do your own research before doing an investing. I am Australian, I invest in the Australian stock market or the ASX. If you do not invest in the Australian stock market, this information might not be helpful to you. Now let's get to the video. First company, Phoenix Resources Ltd. Stock code FEX. Phoenix Resources Ltd is an Australian company engaged in exploring, developing and mining mineral tenements. The group has 2 reportable segments, the Iron Ridge Project and the Trucking Joint Venture, founded in 2007. Price per share right now is 24 cents. 52-week high, 32 cents. 52-week low, 21 cents. If we look at the previous year, we have ended this year slightly higher than what we started this year. We did have a high, but now we're in the low. If you look at the 5 years, you see we are higher than what we were 5 years ago, about 20 cents. They have previously paid out 2 cents per share. They've paid out dividends for the last 3 years. It was 5 cents, now 2 cents. Dividends yield right now is 8.5% and at 100% franked. They paid out in September. Second company, IVL Group Limited, stock code IGL. IVE Group Limited is a provider of print communication and marketing services. The company operates through the following 4 services: creative service, visual, motion, digital, personalized, and structural. Founded in 1921. Price per share right now is $2.05. 52-week high, $2.76. 52-week low, $1.69. If we look at the previous year, we are down from the beginning of the year. But if we look at the 5 years, we see that we actually are about the same price as 5 years ago. Right now, they've paid out in dividends 8 cents. They have missed a dividends payout in 2020. They did not pay out a dividends. The dividends yield is 8.8% at 100% franked. And they paid out in April and October. Third company, Macmillan Shakespeare Limited, stock code MMS. Macmillan Shakespeare Limited is an Australian-based provider of salary packaging, novad leasing, disability plan management, and corporation asset management and related financial products and service. Price per share right now is $17.69. 52-week high, $20.75. 52-week low, $12.72. If we look at the previous year, we are up about $3.60. And if we look at the previous 5 years, we're up just about the same. This year they've paid out $1.24 per share. Dividend yield is 7.5% at 100% franked. And they paid out in March and September. Fourth company, New Hope Corporation Limited, stock code NHC. New Hope Corporation Limited is an Australian public company that is involved in the exploration, development, progression and processing of coal, oil and gas, as well as marketing and logistics. Price per share is $5.19. 52-week high, $6.88. 52-week low, $4.52. If we look at the previous year, we are slightly down a couple cents. If we look at the previous 5 years, we are up about $2. This year they paid out 70 cents in dividends. Dividend yield right now is 8.4% at 100% franked. They pay out in May and November. Fifth company, Whitehaven Coal Limited. Stock code WHC. Whitehaven Coal Limited is an Australian coal mining company producing high quality metallurgical and thermal coal for export to advanced and developing economies. Founded in 1999. Price per share right now is $6.74. 52-week high $10.93. 52-week low $5.63. If we look at the previous year, we are down about $1.30. If we look at the previous 5 years, we are up about $2.70. They paid out 74 cents this year in dividends. The dividends yield is 9.7% at 100% franked, and they paid out in March and September. This is my second video on the ASX. So these 5 stocks we've talked about today have reached my top 20 as well as my previous 5 stocks. The ones in blue are the ones we've talked about today. Out of the 5 stocks we've talked about today, McMillan Shakespeare Limited, stock code MMS, has came in 5th position. Investing $5,000 into MMS would have bought me 283 shares. Working off the $1.24 per share for this year would have got me $350.95. Investing $5,000 into FEX would have bought me 20,833 shares. Working off the 0.02 cents per share for this year would have got me $416.66 in dividends. Invested $5,000 into IGL would have brought me 2,439 shares. Working off the 18 cents per share would have got me $439.02. Invested $5,000 into WHC would have bought me 742 shares. Working off the 74 cents per share in dividends would have got me $549.82. Invested $5,000 into NHC would have bought me 963 shares. Working off the 70 cents per share in dividends would have got me $674.10. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.